Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube video to Google Forms questions. So in here, I've already opened my Google form, and let's say I want to add a YouTube video into the last questions here. So what you need to do in here is just click on the questions, and then here on the right side there will be this panel and you'll see add video options. So just tap on that, and in here you can search all YouTube or just paste URL. So in this case, for example, I want to add my videos in here. You can just right click, tap on copy video URL, and then go back to the Google form, then paste the link in here. You can hit on enter. Okay, so this is the video. You can just click on it and then tap on insert. So now the video will be added into the questions. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.